In today's video, I'm going to teach you Pipedrive tips for beginners. Let's start by setting up your morning routine inside Pipedrive so you always know what needs attention first. Instead of jumping straight into the full pipeline, head to the Activities view. On the left sidebar, click Activities. Up in the top right corner, open the filter options. Set the filter so you only see your activities, and then sort them by due date. This gives you a clean, prioritized list: calls, emails, and follow-ups, so you can work from the most urgent to the least urgent without getting distracted by everything else in your pipeline. If you keep this view open in a pinned tab, it becomes your daily command center. Next, let's simplify your pipeline stages. Many beginners keep won or lost as stages in the pipeline, but you don't need them there because Pipedrive already lets you mark a deal as won or lost from the deal itself. To clean this up, open your pipeline and click the pen icon in the top right corner to edit the stages. Find any stages named won or lost and delete them. This keeps your pipeline focused on active selling steps only. When you do close a deal, just open the deal and use the option in the top right to mark it as won or lost. Your reporting will still be accurate, and your team will have a clearer view of what's in play versus what's finished. Now, connect your email so everything stays in one place. Click your profile icon in the top right, choose Personal Preferences, and then select Email Sync on the left pane. Follow the prompts to sync your work inbox. Once it's connected, your conversations appear directly in Pipedrive, linked to the right contacts and deals. This saves time and ensures you never miss context when you're following up. Take a moment to review any sync settings so your inbox behaves the way you prefer. Finally, let's make Pipedrive work for you with automations. Click the three dots icon on the left and choose Automation. You can start with a template if you want something quick, or create one from scratch for more control. Set your parameters, like what triggers the automation and what action should happen, then save and activate it. From sending a follow-up email after a meeting is logged to assigning tasks when a deal moves stage, automations help you stay consistent without extra clicks. That's it. With a focused activities view, a cleaner pipeline, synced email, and helpful automations, you'll move faster and keep your sales process crystal clear.